At this conference we'll be launching 5 new knives. Firstly, I'd like to just show you the fastback knife. Our Gen 1 model was launched 2 years ago. We now have our Gen 2 model. This is what we call the flick knife, which flicks up very easily, very compact. As you can see, you have a quick system to change the blade here on the right. Close is good. You've got a wire belt clip, which is easy and handy to use. And for cutting straps or actually stripping wire, we have a small hook form here on the end of the knife. Moving on to the second knife we'll be launching here. This is what we call our safety knife. A lot of the safety knives is a legal requirement to use in any logistics centres or warehouses or even shops, purely for the reason is it must be retractable as opposed to a normal standard fixed knife such as that. What you'll also notice on this knife is the blade protrudes a lot less than a standard knife. It's also rounded on the tip, so you prevent injuries, harming yourself, or even when you're cutting boxes as such, you're not going to damage the product inside the box. It's also made from a tough aluminium housing. You have a lanyard hook on there, and for easy blade changes and for spare blades, we have a small silver knob here which you can undo and keep up to 5 blades inside. We'll also be launching 3 snap knives. Firstly is the 9mm knife. It's ideal for painters and decorators. The more popular versions is either the 18 or 25mm knife. Both very similar in design, really industrial pro Milwaukee quality. You have aluminium, plastic, rubber mold housing. And what's important on these knives is this metal knob here. This is what usually breaks, and also the tightening system on this is very quick and efficient. So once it's tightened, it just doesn't move at all. You'll also notice it's a blue blade, so especially hardened iron carbide blades are very, very sharp. And we'll also be launching all 3 size blades in these handy 10-piece pack containers. For traditional blades, we have a different container available, and this is a 60-piece pack container, either in the straight blade or in the hook blade. It's very easy to use. You've got a slide mechanism here at the bottom, which slides the blade out. So you fix that to your new knife, and then your old blade, you can just discard of it here at the top section, which is slide in. Kept perfectly safe.